St. Xavier's School, Malvi Nagar Gonda presents a English rhyme for LKG students. Title of rhyme: Little Paul Parrot.
Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. And stole it all away. And stole it all away. Children, did you enjoy this rhyme? Okay, so let's repeat once again.
1, 2, 3, start. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. And stole it all away. And stole it all away. Dear students, hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. Now learn it and stay home, stay healthy.